All right, guys, it is December 31st, 6:12 p.m. We're going to go ahead and bust 2014, 2015 Valor 8 hits, 4 and 4. Start with 14 Valor. Good luck. Y'all let me know if you have any issues. One, two, three, four. All right, looks like we got about 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 packs. Here we go. Pack number 1. Tom Savage. First hit, Monte Ball. Broncos. Jeff T. Darrelle Revis. Le'Veon Bell. Joe Montana. DeAnthony Thomas. Jason Morrow. Josh Huff. James White. Dan Marino. Golden Tate. Y'all good? Chat. Cameron Wake. Terrell Suggs. Navarro Bowman. Russell Wilson. Ryan Matthews. Emmett Smith. Somebody type something. Andy Dalton. There you go. Andre Williams. Haha. Strength. Marcus Colston. 2/999 for the Saints. Charles Sims. Isaiah Crowell. Marquise Lee. Allen Robinson. Sheldon Richardson. Matthew Stafford. J.J. Swat. Marcus Colston. Paul Richardson. Devontae Freeman. Blake Bortles. Cam Newton. Geno Smith. Patrick Willis. Member Nicholas. Pumpkin Soup. RG Nee. No Sean. Marshall Falk. Garoppolo. Calvin Benjamin rookie. Robert Heron rookie. Matt Ryan. Michael Crabtree. Antonio Brown. Percy Harvin. Torrey Smith, Arian Foster, Zach Ertz, Drew Brees, Michael Floyd. Forte, DeMarco Murray, Discipline of Austin Safarian Jenkins to 299. Bucks, DH, Taylor Lewan, Cecil Shorts, Randall Cobb, Monte Ball. Vernon Davis, Brandon Marshall, Phillip Rivers, Shane Vereen, Troy P, Tavon. Still looking for three. Steve Smith, AJ Green, Kadeem, Devin Street, Arian Foster, Wes Welker. Might have an Jordan Matthews, Kyle Fuller, John Elway, Andrew Luck, Cordell, Eric Becker. Man, where they at? Oh. Ray Rice and a hit. Mettenberger, Titans. Charles, two color patch, number to 50. Mettenberger. Latimer, Manziel rookie, CPAT to 399. Bradshaw, Cap, Pierre Garcon. We've just exposed the hit, Kiko. There you go. Rammies. The man. Number 299, Mr. Sam. Bridgewater, Gio, Pierre Garcon, Pierre Thomas, sorry, number 299 for the Saints. Jason Witten, Bo, Storm Johnson. EJ, Geno Atkins, Greg Robinson, Giants, Andy, worst box ever. Here, let's put it right there so we get a good picture. Roddy White, Joe Aikman. Stephen Morris, Luke, Jordan Reed, Victor Cruz, Julian Edelman, Eric Berry. Can't get them all. There's Brian, Aaron Murray, Courage of TY, number 2, 399. Jake Matthews, Lacey, and Demarius. That wraps up 14 Valor. On to the next one, 15. There's the empty. They all moved around. JPP, Robert Quinn, Justin Houston. This is 2015 Valor. Darrell Rivas, Speed of Byron Maxwell, Devontae Parker. Cameron Wake, Gridiron Warriors of Drew Brees, AJ Green, Jalen Strong, Amari rookie card, Brashad Perriman. DeMarcus Ware, Mario, Julius Peppers, DMC or DRC, Devin Funks, Devin Smith. Leonard Williams, Deshaun. First hit, Chris Conley, 299, Chief Foes. Looks like a pair of piece of the pants or something. I don't know. Doesn't look like a jersey. Chief Foes, Jeff. Tiller. Darrell Beckham. Bob Lilly. Phillip Rivers to 199. Discipline. Prince Mukamura, Kenny Bell, Kevin White, Nelson Aguilar. That means you just picked the wrong teams, man. Danny Shelton, Eddie Goldman, Dominican Sue. Got a Warriors insert Jerry Rice, Jeremy Macklin, Philip Dorsett. Luke, Vic Beasley, Jason Wooden. These are all backward. Joe Hayden, Kelvin Benjamin, Martavis. Denzel Perriman, Julio Speed, tight end for the Broncos, Jeff T. Jeff Heuerman, 18 out of 25. I'll be honest, never heard of that guy. Yep, Jeff T getting all the hits. Mike Evans, Odell, Sammy. That means he just picked all the right teams. Eric Kendricks. I'm trying. Here we go. Paul. Bernard McKinney, Andrew Luck, Brent Grimes, Stephon Diggs. Can't win them all, bro. Clay Matthews, Terrell Suggs, Odell Beckham, Brandon Marshall, Tyler Lockett, Tim Brown. 8 teams. We got 1/4 of the teams. Von Miller, Khalil Mack, C.J. Mosley, Darrell Revis, Torrey Holt, Victor. You forgot about the other 75%. Gino Sheldon, Desmond Trufant, Rashad Green, Sammy Coates, Alshon. T.Y. Jeremy Macklin. Oh, nice. Who got this one? Oh, Jesus. Check that out. 1 out of 2. One out of 2. Never seen that kind of authentic eye black. I don't know if you've seen that on the top. Part of his eye signed. Damn. Nice one for Wes. Deshaun, AJ. Did you see it, Wes? Did you get to see it? Looks better like this. Aaron Donald, Joe McCoy, Josh Robinson, number to 299. Vontae Davis, Antonio Brown, Devontae Adams. Lawrence Taylor, Alshon Jeffrey, Jordy Nelson, Emmanuel Sanders, Jerry Rice, Jordan Matthews. Alvin Dupree, Randy Gregory, Dante Fowler, Muhammad Wilkerson, Earl Thomas, Eric Berry. Shane Ray, Terrell Suggs, 299. Randy Gregory, and all these backwards cards. Cam Chancellor, Charles Woodson, Dwight Clark. Armstead, Obnawa, JJ, Gridiron Warriors of this is Greg Olson, Vincent Jackson, Greg Olson. Jadavian Clowney, Jordan Matthews, Alvin Dupree, Travis Kelsey, Rob Gronkowski, Jimmy Graham. Steve Smith and 49. 49 out of 50. What is it? Mariota. Titans. Charles. Not kidding. I'm not kidding. And hopefully we'll start better tomorrow. Mariota. Two color patch. The Yeldon 1 out of 2. Tight end. Chris Conley. Andre Williams. Mr. Sam. Zach Mettenberger. Monte Ball.